Howdy guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fun unboxing video. This is actually, I think this is my first unboxing video. And if you don't count the makeup haul video that I did last year, because it did have some box stuff in it, but this one's just mainly for box. And this one is for the Jeffree Star mystery box. I can't remember precisely, but I feel like this is maybe his third or fourth time doing mystery boxes. This is the very first time that I have been able to grab them. All the other times I've either been working so I couldn't grab them, or your girl had to pay her bills. For this one I was able to grab 2 out of the 3 boxes. I got the mini box, which retails for $20. I can't remember how much he said that is worth in here, but it's okay. We are going to do the math together. And then I also got the premium box. This one retails for $45, and we will also see how much is actually in this one. Now, the last one was the deluxe box, which was $70, and unfortunately I thought I did buy it, but when I went to check my confirmation and stuff, it said that the deluxe, something happened with the deluxe box and it did not get added into my checking, or like my, what's it called, my cart, right? And when I went to check out, instead of putting all 3 of them, it only put 2 of them in there. So unfortunately I did not get the deluxe one, so I will not be able to review that one. But that one was the most expensive one. It was $70. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing these ones, and let's see if they are actually worth the money. Okay, so the first one we're gonna open is the mini. This one was on sale for $20. I have my calculator on my phone, and we are going to see if what is in here adds up to $20. So just gonna use some nice little whatever these eyelash scissors are, or whatever you call them, whatever you use them for, and just open the box nice and easy. It feels like there's only one product in here, but you never know. Maybe feelings can be deceiving. Alright, come on, open up. Here we go. Oh, fun! So this one actually came with 3 items and some cute green paper. If you are a reuser like me, you like to save the wrapping, especially if it's in good condition, so that you can use it for something else. And then the box is definitely going to be recycled. And I got the Velour liquid lipstick in this shade Scandal. I actually don't think I have this one. Let's see, does it tell me which? Oh, this is pretty. I don't know what collection this is from. I want to say it looks like it could be from the Jawbreaker collection. Let me just, ooh, that's pretty. It's glittery, and it's kind of sheer. It's on the more sheer side, so it's more of like a topper instead of a regular Velour liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go to his website real quick, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Let's go to the Jawbreaker collection and see, or I can just search it. I'm gonna do that instead. Smart. And Scandal. Search. Interesting. Did I spell it right? I think I spelled Scandal. Interesting. So when I searched Scandal on the Jeffree Star website, it didn't come up with anything. The Velour lipsticks retail for $18. Let me just make sure I'm correct. $18. So there is really close to 20 already. So we'll do 18. Put a plus sign because there's another one here. Oh, this one is Medusa. I actually do have this one. This one is from the Oh, which collection was it? I can't remember what it's called. It was 2 winters ago, I believe. It was the first, was it? Yes, it was the first, yes. It was the first winter that I had just moved into my house. It was the year that I had just moved into my house, and this collection came out, and this was the very first full collection that I bought. And I actually really love this color. It's a very beautiful purple. So I will keep this because I do love it, and it's always nice to have backup. So it does look like this. Do a little quickie swatch for you. That is a little weird. There's some fuzzy stuff on the actual lip thing. Makes it a little scary, but I think it's just because it's the first time the bristle is getting opened. So it could just be because, you know, of that. Nothing too scary, different, or whatever. And that's what the Medusa looks like next to the Scandal. Very pretty. And then lastly, it has a pop socket with it. Oh wait, I forgot, do the math. Add 18 more to that. And then since it came with a pop socket, I'm gonna go to the website, just search pop socket and see how much those retail for. Even though we have already surpassed the $20 pop socket. Interesting. How come, does he not sell pop sockets anymore? So I'm not sure how much the pop sockets retail as, but just the 2 velour liquid lipsticks already surpassed the $20 that I paid for the box. And it came with a Medusa, which I already love, and then it came with a Scandal, which I have not tried out, but it's very beautiful. It's more of a topper than an actual liquid lipstick, or you can put it on top of like a lipstick, and or on top of like a lip stain or something, because it's definitely not going to be bold enough to wear on its own. But so far so good. The box is really great. It surpassed, I'm not sure how much the pop socket is. Usually they run about like maybe $8 or so, so I'm gonna add 8 to that, and $44. So this roughly around $44 right here, and I paid $20, so not that bad actually. The next one we're going to go to is the premium box. This one retailed for $45, and we will see how much we get in it. Alright, so these ones are more wrapped up together. Ooh, I'm excited. I see a liquid frost. Now, I'm not one much for a liquid highlighter, but I'm excited to see which one it is. This one is called Crown Jewels. I'm just going to open the bottom of it, and maybe I'll swatch it, maybe not, because I might just put this in a giveaway, because I don't do... Oh yeah, this one's definitely going to go in a giveaway because this is too dark for my skin tone, but it's still a very beautiful color. The little squishy thing works. Everything looks really beautiful, honestly. I'm not going to swatch it because I want to put it into a giveaway, and I don't want to give swatch stuff out. So this is awesome. Let me see how much his liquid frosts are. $25. Okay, so we have $25 already, and then we have 2 velour liquid lipstick and then 1 lipstick bullet. I am very excited. This one, oh, it's a question mark. What? Can you guys see that? It just has a question mark on it. That's interesting. What? Is that an actual shade, or is it just supposed to be a question mark? I don't understand. This one, I think this is from one of his summer collections. I don't think this year yet, right? Probably not. But it looks really pretty, nice and pink. Ooh, it's a very bright pink. That is on the bottom from the Medusa. It looks really nice. I like that. Awesome. I don't have this shade. It's a question mark. I think that's just its shade name, maybe. And then, oh, this one is Doll Parts. I think this one is like the really pink one. Oh no, maybe, oh, it's just a regular pink. I thought it was like really pink. But let me go ahead and swatch this one. Ooh, yes, that is beautiful. I love that. That one is underneath the question mark one. Ooh, that one's beautiful. I love that. So that's 2 velour liquid lipsticks. So we're gonna add 18 and add 18. Then, lucky me, I got a lipstick bully. A lipstick bullet in the shade Celebrity Skin. I'm a little scared on how this one is. I don't, if I remember correctly, it's like really nude, or maybe I'm just dumb. Oh, never mind. It kind of looks like the one I'm wearing right now, but right now I'm wearing the Daddy shade from the Jeffree Star and MUAH collab. Let me swatch this one. Ooh, that's creamy. Oh my gosh, it's like, oh, it smells really good. Oh, I love the smell of that. And it's literally the lipstick version of what I'm wearing right now. Yes, I am excited. And let's see how much the lipstick bullets retail for. Let me check here. I think they also retail for $18, but I just want to double check. Lipstick bullet. Oh, they're called lip ammunitions. My bad. They're pretty much the same thing. Alright, and then these, yes, I was right. They retail for $18 as well. So we're going to add 18. And then it also came with another pop socket. This time it is an orange one. So I'm going to say it's another $8 for this one. So we'll do that. And this box roughly retails for around $87. And I paid for $45. Now, this is actually a really good deal. So the first box, the mini, was roughly around $40, and half of that I paid for $20. So basically I got double for what I paid for. And then for the premium, it was $45, and it was roughly around $87. Not quite as much as a double, but pretty darn close. So I expected, if I got the deluxe one like I was supposed to, and it was $70, and if it was $70 retailing, then I would expect it to be roughly around $140 worth of stuff in it. And now I'm kind of mad because I want that stuff. But I am really excited. I got, let's see if I remember, I got 4 liquid lipsticks, 1 lip ammunition, and 2 pop sockets. That's actually, that's nice. I like that. I recommend, I think this video is short, but I actually really recommend these. It's Jeffree Star's products are absolutely amazing. I have his Pride and Trues right here, or my Pride and Trues, honestly. I have the 2 liquid lipsticks from the Jeffree Star and MUAH collaboration in Daddy and I'm Shook. And then one of my favorites that I always love to have one here is called Androgyny in the liquid lipstick form. And then for his lipstick bullet, I love having Calabasas right here too. That is also my favorite. I also love his highlighters. One of my favorite ones is the Peach Goddess. I am actually wearing that right now. And let's see, his what's it called, the, not the Blue Blood, but the Sugar Blood collection, I think. No, Sugar Love, Sugar, it's his red palette. I love that one. That's like one of my favorite palettes in the world. And what else have I tried by him? I've tried a lot of his liquid lipsticks, lip ammunitions. Those ones are like my absolute favorites. I love wearing them. Like right now, like I said, I'm wearing Daddy, and it's literally one of my go-to favorite nudes in the world. And let me think. I have yet to try his concealers and stuff like that, but I'm really excited to try them soon. And his setting powders, I know it was a long shot, but I was kind of hoping there would be like a concealer or something in there. But then again, you know, they don't know exactly whose skin type is going to be in there, so you might have gotten the wrong shade and stuff, which makes sense. But still, maybe one day he'll have one. Alrighty guys, I think that's it, honestly. And my recommendations, if you love Jeffree Star, if you're like, you know, if you support him and his products and him in general like I do. I even wore, you know, my Jeffree Star approved t-shirt today. So yes. Oh yeah, that's another thing, I have some of this merch obviously. And like I said, if you know, support him and everything, I think these mystery boxes are actually really cool because you never know what you're gonna get. And if you're like me, who just loves makeup in general and just, you know, will literally play with anything, then definitely get these because it was a surprise and I was really excited. You should have seen me when I got my message that my package finally came in. I was at the mall with my friend and I was so scared because I know Jeffree Star always packages his stuff in his logo box, so people will know that, you know, Jeffree Star's at your door. And I'm not saying I don't trust my neighbors, but you know, some of them can be sketchy, so I was really scared to come home and not find them. But they got here safe and sound, and although they were packaged very, very tightly, you know, nothing came broken, so that's fine. I'm okay with that. The only thing that was a little not alarming, but a little iffy was the Medusa liquid lipstick. It did have some like white fuzz on it. That sounds bad, but it didn't smell bad or anything like that, so it definitely wasn't like expired. I just feel like because it hasn't been opened yet, it just, not the whole lipstick bristle have gotten covered with the liquid lipstick yet. But other than that, I think that's it. Like literally, it was really good. I feel like if I got the deluxe one like I was supposed to, I would have loved that one as well. And yeah, I think the only thing that I didn't like, or not that I didn't like, it's just that I won't be able to use, is the liquid frost because it's too deep for my skin tone. So I'm gonna put that one in my giveaway bin and hopefully put it in a giveaway soon. I might put one of the pop sockets as well because I already have my own and I have a lot of pop sockets as well already. But you know, it's always good to have backups, especially when it's the Jeffree Star logo. Alrighty guys, in conclusion, if you want to get a mystery box and you're debating whether it's worth the money, I say it is, and I say go for it, especially if you want like something new, something fun, and just want to be surprised. I definitely recommend grabbing one. If you're someone who needs to know what they're getting and only likes certain things, then I would say save your money and wait till he has like his awesome deals, like when he does his like Black Friday deals or his like birthday deals or stuff like that. Those are really amazing and very, you know, cheap and stuff, and you'll be able to get your stuff on a discount, unlike this stuff where you get a bunch of mystery stuff but for a very discounted price. But yeah, that's what I would recommend. So this is a big thumbs up for me, and I would say this is Dani approved. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. Alrighty guys, I think that's all I want to say. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications. Make sure to give this video a like and follow all my social media. The links will be down below as usual. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday.